Hey fam, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making this grilled chicken and a delicious vegetable sauce. But first of all, let's marinate this chicken. And guess what guys, today is my birthday. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. We're adding all the ingredients as seen on the screen to make sure this chicken is packing so much flavor. Give that a good stir and pour it over the chicken to combine. Toss the chicken around and make sure you get it properly coated. You want all that juicy flavor all over your chicken. And then it's time to grill. Place it on medium or low heat and leave it to cook. While our chicken is grilling, let's make the vegetable sauce. I forgot to mention that we would also be adding prawns to our vegetable sauce. Now we will be sauteing our prawns with some dark soy sauce to let it pack some flavor. If you've watched up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Like this video, it will do so much to this video. Thank you so much. And now we're done cooking our prawns and then we pack them to set them aside. Next, we're going to be adding a little oil to the pan and then we'll add our blended mixed peppers. Stir that in together and allow to cook for some few minutes before adding the seasoning. I love onion powder so much, so I use them in excess. Then I add my vegetables, bell peppers, carrots, and I add the rest of the seasoning, which you will see on the screen. Then we add in some water and allow to cook. Now we're going to add in a little bit of slurry to thicken up the sauce. Once the sauce has cooked, now we introduce our prawns back to the sauce, stir that together and allow to cook. Once that is cooked, we add some spring onions and your sauce is ready. Now it's time to plate. At this point, your grilled chicken should be ready and good to go. I can't wait to delve into this deliciousness. Oh, I'm sorry, I've had it already and it was so good, so good. You should definitely try this out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.